Hello there, I'm Tamás from Imimot, and I'm back with a new Mitti video. This time it's about how to send out key and fill signals from Mitti, because this is something you often ask. For key and fill, where you want to send out a key and a fill signal on two different outputs, you need a Blackmagic decklink or UltraStudio card that has a built-in keyer. Now jump to Mitti. First thing first, your video needs to be in format which contains alpha channel information. For Mitti, ProRes 4444 works the best. When you load your video into Mitti, it's easy to spot if the video has alpha channel info because Mitti marks transparent areas with checkerboard like this. In Mitti's video output settings, you only need to create one output with the Blackmagic card. It's important because the actual key and fill signal separation is happening inside the Blackmagic device, and that maintains synchronization between the key and the fill signal. So once the output is created, you just need to select keyer, external, and voila, that's your key and fill signal out there. Guys, hope you liked it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more videos like this. Cheers!